Hello, Clearbrook, North Dallas. 2026 Tesla Juniper Model Y. Full stealth wrap, matte paint protection film, if you will. Let's go over the install. This is the Expel Stealth. Expels window film, XR Plus, 55%. And no ceramic on this one. And that's it. That's all we did on this. And let's go over, as it charges here, all our wrapping, all the edges that we cover, how clean it is, no marks, wrapping all these door handles in, taking these off, making sure there's no gloss on this at all. Everything's nicely covered. Everything looks fantastic. No issues. Our hood looks fantastic. All the edges covered here. All the edges in here on the bumper and the fender. Let's close this guy down. Quality, I gotta tell you. Everything's nice except for the gap. I gotta fix that. And coming around over here, much more of the same. Cameras come out, so we can go all the way in the cameras. Our fender and door where they meet, fully wrapped all the way down. Our mirrors are fully done. Our A-pillars, we take those apart, fully done. Everything's just looking fantastic. So there it is. Nice quick run around this 2026. Appreciate you guys watching us at Clearbrook, North Dallas. Have a good day.